Welcome to our AP US History course overview. We are going to use Google Classroom to facilitate our class during distance learning. Before we get started, I want you to know that I am very understanding of the current situation and aim to be as flexible as possible to help foster our success throughout the school year. I know that the first few days of school can seem overwhelming as teachers hand out their course syllabus and discuss expectations, but I can assure you that this course is manageable and you will be successful. My plan for APUSH during distance learning is to use a flipped classroom model. I will post short screencasts to address important skills and topics. My expectation is for you to watch those screencasts and read the textbook for homework, and then to take both our synchronous and asynchronous time slots to complete the assigned work. I like this model because I will be able to assist you while we are working during the school day, just as if we were in the classroom. This makes my role more of a facilitator of learning, while it makes you actively responsible. The effort you put in will pay off when we get to graded assessments. Everything we need will be posted on our Google Classroom page. Please take some time to look through the page to gain an understanding of its setup. The Classwork tab is set up in chapter-specific modules to help streamline our navigation of the content. Please look at the course introduction to access our course syllabus. Please read through the syllabus and watch the intro screencast. Your signed course syllabus is due by Thursday, August 20th. I would also like you to take a few minutes to fill out our AP questionnaire. This will help me learn a little bit more about you. Please complete and submit your questionnaire by Thursday, August 20th. I plan to post content and assignments for each chapter before the first meeting of each week, but make sure you are checking in every weekday to see new announcements and to turn in your attendance. For right now, we will use Padlet as a message board to ask and answer questions and to share ideas. I'm a big proponent of collaborative learning, and I think Padlet is a great way to accomplish both of those. Please keep online classroom etiquette in mind while using Padlet. Our Periods 1 and 2 overview gives a quick calendar update for the unit. Our first chapter is posted on Google Classroom. Please take a look through it and post any questions you might have to Padlet. We will take a few extra days to complete Chapter 1, so we will plan on turning in KBATs, Document Analysis Practice, and our short answer question assessment on Friday, August 28th. I will upload the SAQ and tips for answering SAQs as we get closer to the due date. Remember, we will always have an opportunity to do rewrites to improve our score on SAQs. If you need to contact me directly, please email me at watersc@sfusd.edu or send me a message through Google Classroom.